Hi, so welcome to Greetings and Goodbyes Part 3. So in this one, I'll draw your attention to something that you may or may not be aware of depending on how much grammatical knowledge you have of Korean or how much you've been exposed to it. But this here, 당신이, this here, 피터가, and what's hidden actually in here, 전, are what are called sentence markers, and they mark different parts of the sentence. There's one for the topic, one for the subject, one for the object. Sounds a little confusing, but in practice it's not nearly as difficult and very functional. Something that takes a while to get used to, and really the best way to do that is, in my opinion, to listen to a lot of Korean, to read a lot of Korean, and really develop a sort of intuition around what is correct in what sense. But this one here, 전, is actually 저는. 저 meaning I, and 는 meaning the topic particle or topic marker. Another thing in this, we'll notice different endings here. It says 실례합니다. Okay, 실례합니다, and here 미안합니다. And over here we have 아니에요. 수잔인가요? 아니에요. So there are different types of endings. These are simply different levels of politeness. In the case of, excuse me, the case of the difference between 아니에요 and 미안합니다. But in these two, 인가요 and 에요, these are actually different grammatical these serve different grammatical functions. And in Korean, all of the things like but, because, and therefore, all those types of words are actually connected to the verb. So you can play around quite easily with these different things, but keep in mind that always at the end of the sentence will be the verb, as discussed previously. And also, there will be different types of different grammar patterns that will appear at the end of these sentences. So keep that in mind as you continue to study. And as you come across different patterns, look at how they're used and really become comfortable with how they're used so that you can develop more of a sense of how to use them yourself. All right, enjoy. Bye-bye.